happened that could take me out of my sense. It happened, yes, in the pharmacy. One of the guys was trying to be a smart ass, and I was like, breathe. I was like, is that worth it? Like to go into that arguing, end up in that fight, or like think 2 times. Like he might be having a bad day, and I don't want to ruin my day by doing that. So made me much more self-controlled, I would say, like being able to deal with my emotions with a better discernment, like that. Okay, let me do better decisions instead of doing this. Or nowadays being a teacher, is that's the example that I want to show to my students. So breathe in, take your time, and let it go. So I mean, self-control, I would point as the best quality.
Yeah, I get it. And you shared that earlier. Leadership comes by example. So you want to be able to set a good example for those around you and the kids that you get